Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all. Maths class, first class, third. So here students, already we started this lesson, that is the chapter number 5, that is multiplication. So this is the session 2. So already you learned in session 1. So what is mean by multiplication and about the addition form and the multiplication form. So multiplication is a repeated addition. Already you learned in the first session. So in this lesson we will start here the sign of multiplication. Sign of multiplication. Yes, students. Example. For example, they can given here one. Ramesh went to a shop to buy coconuts for a function. He asked the shopkeeper to give 12 coconuts the shopkeeper gave him 3 coconuts at a time. So as to make 12. Okay, see students, Ramesh went to a shop to buy a coconuts for his function. Something is the function. So he took a coconuts. So he asked the shopkeeper to give a 12 coconuts. What he asked here? So to give a 12 coconuts. The shopkeeper gave him a 3 coconuts at a time as to here to make as a 12. 3 times, it means 3 coconuts. So we can give here 3 coconuts in one time. Okay. See here the number of coconuts taken by Ramesh is 3 coconuts in one time, like 4 times he took. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So how many times he took here? 4 times he took in one time 3 coconuts. Okay. So total is how much here now? 12. Okay. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 12. Okay. Total 12 coconuts. So how we are writing as here? See, 4 times is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. It means 4 times we are using 3. So we add 3 in 4 times. So we can get is how much? 12. Okay. And like here, so we can write as here 3 into 4 is equal to how much? 12. So 3 coconuts in each time. How many times repeated here? 1, 2, 3. 4 times 3 is repeated. So we can write as here 3 into 12 is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So here 4 times 3 is written as 3 into 4, like here 3 into 4. So the word time is represented as a symbol multiplication. Yes. So addition form is converted to multiplication. converted to multiplication from using a sign multiplication. Yes, so this sign we can using as a multiplication sign. So we have started here. What we are learning here? Sign of multiplication. So this we can call as into mark, we can call as a multiplication sign. Okay, see here students. So x, it means we can call this one here is a sign of multiplication. Yes, students. So Ramesh went to a shop to buy a coconut for his function. So he asked the shopkeeper to give a 12 coconuts. Yes, so the shopkeeper give 12 coconuts, like 3 coconuts in a 4 times he can be gave here. Okay, so here the number of coconuts taken by Ramesh is how much? 12 coconuts he took. Okay, like how 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12 times. Okay, so 4 times is 4 times 3 is repeated. So total is how much now here? 12. Okay, so we are writing as here 3 is repeated 4 times. 3 into 4 is equal to how much? 12. Okay, so 4 times 3 is written as how much here now? 3 into 4 times we can written as. Okay, like here the word time is represented as here the multiplication as addition, this sign. So addition form is converted into multiplication. Okay, so this form is using as a sign multiplication. So this sign is using to as a, we can call this one a multiplication sign. Understood students? Okay, see here. So we are going as exercise, that is exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. Here say students, in exercise 5.2, rewrite using sign symbol. So this multiplication sign. Okay, see here, first one, 2 times 3 is dash. Second one, 4 times 6 is dash. 5 times 2 is dash. 3 times 7 is dash. Yes students, we can say here rewrite using the symbol. Which one symbol is the multiplication sign. So 2 students, first one here, 2 times 3 is, it means 3 is repeated how many times here? 2 times. So it's equal to 3 to the 6. Okay, next one, 6 is repeated how many times? 4 times. So here 6 4 is 24. Next one here, 2 is repeated how many times here? 5 times. 2 5 is 10. Okay, like here 7 is repeated how many times here? 3 times. 7 3 is 21. Yes, understood students? Remaining are there here, so you do yourself. That is the first main. Okay, next main will go as second main. Second main, write the multiplier and product of the multiplication form in the given box. Okay, see students, what we will write here. So multiplicand, multiplier and product of the multiplication. See here, first one they can be given here. 3 into 6 is equal to how much? Yes, 3 6 are 18. Okay, here see students, which is the multiplicand, next one multiplier, next one product. Yes, see students, in this question here, so they can be given here 3 into 6, that can be given here 18. Okay, so what we will be do here? So we will be find out which is the multiplicand, which is the multiplier and which is the product. Here see students, which is the multiplicand now? In these, which is the multiplicand? 6 or 18 or 3? Yes, 3 is the multiplicand. Okay, and multiplier, which is the multiplier? 6 or 18? Yes, 6 is a multiplier. Then next one, product. Product means result, we can call this one. Okay, so result is how much here? 18 is the product. Understood students? So 18 is the product. Second one, they can given here 2 into 5 is equal to how much? 2 5s are 10. Okay, so which is the multiplicand, which is the multiplier and next one which is the product. So we'll write here. Okay, yes students, this is the multiplicand here. 2 is the multiplicand. So 2 it can be multiplicand, 5 is a multiplier. So we can be multiplied 5 to 2. Okay, so 5 is the multiplier. So which is the product here now? So this result we can call this is a product. Yes, understood students? So remaining are there in this second main. So you do yourself only. Next we are going as here third main. That is third main, they can given here one question. If you multiply any number by 0, what will be the product? What will be the product? Yes, see students, I already told this one in session 1. Here see, if you multiply any number by 0, it means, so what will be the product? So what it is comes here product? If we multiplied any number by the 0. So here see students, if you multiply any number by 0, the product is 0 only. Okay, for example, here see students, 4 into 0 is equal to, how much it is now? 4 into 0 is equal to 4 zeros are 0. Yes, like 7 into 0 is equal to, 7 zeros are 0. 2 into 0 is equal to, yes, how much? 0. Understood this one? So this is the property of multiplication. Okay, one of the property. So if we multiply any number by 0, the product is 0 only. Okay, understood this one? Okay, another one property is there. See here. That is the fourth one question. If you multiply any number by 1, what will be the product? What will be the what will be the product? Yes, see students, if you multiply any number by 1, what will be the product? So if we multiply by any number 1, the product is itself only, that number only. Okay, for example, I'll write here, see students. So for example, 4 into 1 is equal to, so 4, so we can be multiplied by 1, so we can get answer is 4 only, itself only. Okay, and 2 into 1 is equal to 2 only. Yes, so we can get what we can get here? So we can get answer itself only. Okay, if we multiplied any number by 1, the product is itself only. Okay, this is the second property. Next one we are going as so that is here some multiplication table. So here see students, tables, already you know the tables. So I'll write here first one table. So how to write here tables? 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 1 into 3 is equal to 3, 1 into 4 is equal to 4, 1 into 5 is equal to 5, 1 into 6 is equal to 6, 1 into 7 is equal to 7, 1 into 8 is equal to 8, 1 into 9 is equal to 9, 1 into 10 is equal to 10. So this is a ones table. Like here 2. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 5 is equal to how much? 10. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So students, likewise we'll write what? The tables from 1 to 10. Also you can practice. Okay. Here say students. So on these tables, see the exercise. See the exercise 5.3. Okay. So they can given here. So first one question they can given here. Work out the multiplication facts given on each log and write the correct key to open the log. Okay, see students, they can be given here. See the textbook. Okay, see here textbook. Yes, open the page number 135. Yes, open the page number 135. They can given here work out the multiplication fact given on each log and tick right mark on the correct key. So here log they can given here, here correct, but it is key they can be 3 key they can be given here. So I'll write these numbers only. Okay, see here first one 7 into 3. So 7 into 3, in that key they can given here what it is, 3 keys they can be given here. One is 18, another one is 27, another one is 21. Yes, which is the correct answer here? So we can be multiplied here. 7 into 3 is equal to how much? 7 3s are 21. I'll write mark, correct mark on the 21. Yes, understood students? Like, here see students, like you are also mark on the keys. Okay, they can given here in the log, they can be given here multiplication fact. So answer they can be given here in the keys. Okay, so you correct. That means you correct the mark. Second one, 5 into 5 is, so they can given here 15, 25, 35. Okay, see here, 5 into 5 is equal to how much? 5 5s are, yes, 5 5s are 25. So 25, I'll do the correct mark. Okay, third one, 4 into 8. 4 into 8, 32, 40 and 48. Okay, so which is the correct answer? 4 8s are how much? 4 8s are 32. 32, I'll do the right mark. Okay, next one, 10 into 6. Okay, so 50, 16, 60. Yes, which is the correct answer here? 10 into 6 is equal to how much? 10 6 are 60. Yes, 10 6 are 60. And next one, fifth one, 9 into 1 is, so 9, 1, 0. Yes, 9 into 1, it means 9 ones are 9. Yes, 9 ones are 1 or 9 ones are 0? No, 9 ones are 9 only. So I'll do the right mark on 9. Understood this one? Yes. So we can go here. Next one. That is, they can given here one chart. Okay. That chart is, you see, the chart is here. First one circle. Okay. This is one circle. So here middle point I'll give here. So second one circle. Yes. Next third one circle. What they can given here, see students. So in the point I'll join the lines. Okay, see here they can given here some numbers here. 2, 7, 0, 4, 1, 9, 3, 4. Okay, so the question is, observe the given chart and fill the boxes with their products. Okay, so here see, in the first circle they can be given here some numbers. In second circle also they can be given here 2, here 6, 5, 8, 9, 7, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So what we'll do here, see students, we can write the product of these. Yes, see here, 6 2s are, yes, how much 6 2s are? 12. Yes, 5 7s are, how much 5 7s are? 35. Okay, 8 zeros are 0. Okay, 9 4s are 36. 1 7s are 7. 9 2s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. Yes, we wrote here, what we wrote here, the product of the numbers. They can be given here. 6 2s are 2 6s are 12. 5 7s are 35. 8 zeros are 0. Yes, like here, see, 8 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay, 4 into 4 is equal to how much? 16. 3 into 3 is equal to how much here? 9. Yes, like we can be write here, what you write here, the product of these numbers. Okay, next one, that is the third main. What they can given here, third main, in this exercise only. Multiply and write multiply and write the product. Yes. First one, 2 into 5 is equal to how much? Second one, 4 into 1 is equal to how much? Third one, 3 into 0 is equal to dash. Fourth one, 9 into 3 is equal to dash. Fifth one, 6 into 4 is equal to dash. Yes, see students, 2 5s are, how much 2 5s are? 2 5s are 10. I'll write the product of these multiplies. Okay, so 2 5s are 10, 4 1s are 4, 3 zeros are 0. Yes, 9 3s are, how much? 9 3s are 27. Okay, 6 4s are 24. Yes, students. So these are, they can be given, remaining are there in this main, so you do yourself only. Okay, so today we'll complete this session. So tomorrow we'll continue this, the rest of this lesson. Thank you.